Hello guys, so let's continue teaching the machine design one course. Today actually we will start a new chapter, is the balancing chapter. One of the easiest chapter you will face in this course. Very easy chapter, you can absorb the information in easy way without any complicated. Just follow me and follow these simple steps, and I hope inshallah everything will be clear for you. So first of all, balancing chapter divided in two types. So as I teach you and explained all the material that was in the break system, I divide the question to four types. You're supposed to follow them. Also here balancing, you just have two types. Guys, just focus, you have just two types. Actually leave any complicated that you face in YouTube and the teacher, and just focus on these two types. We have the first type, single balancing, and the double. Single mass, double mass, single and the double. So first of all, we start with single mass, single balancing, and then the double balancing. How we can distinguish between two of them, two of these types? So first of all, the single, all the masses is aligned in the vertical line. If you see all the masses on the vertical line directly, it is considered as single. Okay, great, single. Great. If all of the mass align the vertical line, it's considered as a single. Okay. When we go to the second case, or the second type, is the double. How we can find double? It have the horizontal line between these masses. Have horizontal line, the horizontal distance between these masses called the double. Just so in this chapter you have just two types of question of balancing, a single and a double. Great. Now I'm actually just building for you the base. So first of all, of teaching build the base. After that, I can digging into this chapter and go deeply. We'll have variety of questions. So first of all, have two types of balancing, single, double. That's all. Two types of question. Tamam. Now actually we move on and we switch to the next steps. That's the angle. So the important two things in this chapter, how we can distinguish between the types and the angle. The important thing is the angle, because if you miss with the angle, all your question or your answer would be wrong. So okay guys, so now okay guys, hello. So we continue to the angle. So please focus. The angle is very important. You're supposed to know and to verify where is the original angle, because it is in the given exam for the mass angle. It's actually some tricky, because it does not give you the original angle. You're supposed to find the angle by know this process. So first of all, for the first coordinate you have from 0 to 90, the second 90 to 180, the third 180 to 27, the fourth 27 to 360. So first of all, the first case you will face actually the type 1 of the angle. And the question, sometime he specified the angle of the question. It is from the first coordinate to be specified, and it is in the first coordinate to be very obvious and clear. It is in the first coordinate. If it's the first coordinate 25 degree, it's logical, because the first coordinate from 0 to 90 degree, actually 25, it is between this range. Okay, great. So when we move to the second type of the angle, if it was the second coordinate actually it's from 90 to 180. So it is logic to be the angle 25? Definitely no. In the second coordinate, if the angle wasn't in the same range, you're supposed to subtract it from 180. So if it was in the second coordinate and the angle wasn't in the range, you're supposed to subtract it from 180 to get the specific angle, the original angle. So if you subtract, you'll get, so the specific angle is 155. So in the second coordinate, if the angle wasn't in the range, because 25 degree from 90 to 180, it's not logic to be in this coordinate. You're supposed to subtract it from 180. So when we shift to the third coordinate system, it is logical to be to 25 degree from 180 to 27. Definitely no. You're supposed in the third coordinate, you guys, these steps, just follow it. All the question to be in the same style of this question. If it's not 25, to be 30, 75, and extra. Okay? To be the same procedure, the same process actually. Just focus on this type. Don't actually go through and find out something complicated. The exam to be same as these type of question. Don't waste your time. Okay, just focus on me. So, in the third coordinate system, if you have the angle, it's not in the same range. You're supposed to now here you're supposed to add it at 180 to 25. So 180 to 25, we've got 205 degrees. So that degree, it is the original angle. So when we shift to the fourth coordinate, just focus with me. The fourth coordinate system, you have 25 in the fourth coordinate. It is not logical. It is not in the range between 270 from 360. You're supposed to subtract 360 minus 25 to get the angle. So 360 minus 25, you will get the 335, the original angle. So in this part, the balancing type, I showed you the two types of the balancing, the single and the double, how you can distinguish between of them, and the second thing is very, very important, the angles, and you're supposed to know each of the coordinates, where is the specific angle, because in the exam he will give you and specify in the question trick angle, not the correct angle. So that's the fourth type of the angle that you will face in the exam. Very easy peasy, and thank you very much. In the next part I will explain the question deeply provided with the rules and steps. Thank you very much.